School fire alarm, school fire alarm. Bilbo is testing the school fire alarm. People have to go out from Columbia Middle School. School fire alarm. They testing when it goes, school fire alarm. They test the sirens, make sure they work. School fire alarm. Goes, this is a test. Please evacuate the building for emergencies. Goes off when there's fire, structure fire. The alarms go off. And it's school fire drill, or a real structure fire. Kids have to evacuate. The alarms go off. Fire alarms go off. It sends the fire department out. School fire alarm. People test school fire alarms. That's what they do. Is test school fire alarms. School fire alarms. They're testing them. Bilbo's testing them. He works for the fire department. Lake Villa Fire Department. He's testing the fire alarms. Right now, school fire alarm. Testing the alarms. Let's see if this is work. This is only a test. School fire alarms. They test it. In real emergencies, the fire alarm goes off in schools for structure fires. School fire alarms. School fire alarm. School fire alarm.